Do you have an error preventing the Ieproxy Library DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. To start our troubleshooting for Ieproxy Library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Ieproxy Library, the Internet Explorer Proxy Stub library. It manages the localized COM marshalling for Internet Explorer-based system components. Even on Windows 11, it is mandatory for localized system dialogs and older enterprise software that utilizes legacy web interface hooks to resolve localized proxy settings. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This issue is best handled by the Windows Resource Protection Service. Open an elevated command prompt and enter sfc/scan now to allow Windows to identify and replace corrupted core files, such as Ieproxy Library DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Ieproxy library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Replacing Ieproxy library without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If Ieproxy library is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Ieproxy library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.